Hey, good afternoon. Mike Prejeant with Jamestown Estate Homes, construction manager. I'm here in Hedwig Village and Memorial Villages. Wanted to show you what we're doing in this particular custom home that we're building here. We have reclaimed lumber, reclaimed beams that we have assembling in the great room of the house. And one of the unique things about installing these is, first of all, they're 100-year-old beams. First of all, care has to be brought with them because of possibly damaging them. But also, they're solid wood beams. They weigh approximately 900 pounds. They have to be supported properly, otherwise you could have some issues with it. So, the other difficulty part of it, we have a house that has a 14-foot ceiling. So what do? Well, the guy from the wood shop, Texas City, brought the mechanical lift, and that's what they used to raise the beam up into place, fit it into place, and then anchor it to the walls. We also have it structurally supported over the openings where we have engineered beams that will support the weight. We have it blocked and anchored with lag screws so it doesn't move eventually afterwards. After the beam's installed, then the buyer has selected a wax finish to the beams, and they're going to be applied afterwards. So once they're completed, it's going to be a beautiful addition to the house to add somewhat of an old world charm to the house. So you guys, if you ever want to have a unique feature in your house, looking for a custom home, call us at Jamestown Homes. We'll be glad to help you. See you next time.